Good morning, students. Today we will learn about your EVS chapter Chotu's house. So let us proceed. Need of shelter. What is shelter? Shelter means house. So why do we need house? We need house to protect ourselves from rain, wind, sunlight, हीट, कोल्ड, एनिमीज. इन सब से बचने के लिए हमें हाउस चाहिए होता है. When there is rain, we go to our house to protect ourselves from rain. When there is wind, a strong wind, so we run to our house to protect ourselves from so strong wind. When there is sunlight, we feel very hot, we go to our house and make ourselves cool. And when there is cold outside, we go to our house and protect ourselves from cold. When we have house, no thieves can come to our house, no animal can come to our house. So house is needed for protection from enemies. Thieves means chore and any animal. We can protect ourselves from any animal also. So this is house. And what is the difference between house and home? House is only structure. House is made up of bricks or anything. But when we talk about home, home includes our family members and we live happily with emotions. So now we come to different types of houses. There are so many different types of houses. That includes caves, igloo, huts, castle, bungalow, flats, tent, houseboat. So we will discuss about it one by one. In older age, people used to live in caves. जब लोगों को के पास कोई घर नहीं होता था तो वो गुफाओं में रहते थे. तो caves means गुफा. Igloo is made up of snow and ice. There are some places where lots of snow and ice is all around. So these people make house with snow, that is called igloo. Hut, you can see hut here. This is castle. Bungalow. Flats. In flats there are so many houses and people live together in different floors. Tent. Houseboat. When you make house in a boat, that is called houseboat. Now comes different parts of house. Drawing room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, toilet, storeroom, balcony, garage. We will discuss about it one by one. This is drawing room where your guests sit. You put sofa here and table, and if your guest comes, you make them sit in drawing room. Dining room is where you put your dining table, you eat food there. Bedroom. In bedroom there is bed, almirah, where you sleep. Kitchen. Your mother cooks food in kitchen. Bathroom, where you bath every day. Toilet, where you go to toilet every day. Storeroom. In storeroom we put the things which are waste and not so useful to us. We put those things in storeroom. Some people have storeroom in their house, some does not have. Balcony, you can take fresh air from balcony. It is area outside your room. Garage, where you put your car. So students, you may have some parts in your house or some not. Like some people will not have garage in their house or storeroom in their house. So you tell me which parts are there in your house. Thank you.